If there are questions, must be very brief, precise, to the point, whom you want to ask, and only three questions. Only three questions. And I would request if the mic is, so who is the first one to? Who is the first one? Please be brief, precise, to the point, and whom you want to ask. Yes.
I'm Dr. Mazury from University of Karachi. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all to the university for this successful event. As Dr. Mazury said, we are very successful. Second track diplomacy, non-official, definitely. So the question which I was talking with Professor Dr. Alaikum, that I know that it's difficult to cover 60 years into 10 minutes, but I would like to ask a few minutes that what your opinion about what should the Pakistan and Polish should do for the better future relationship, and what are the priorities for the better future. And I would like also request you that kindly share your detailed paper to us for our students as well. It is my request to you that it is. And the question is that what are the priorities and what are the challenges Pakistan and Polish relationship in future as well.
Are you asking him, Professor?
Yes, Doctor.
Please.
Okay. Thank you for your question. You know, the quality was poor, but at first you asked me about the future, and then it's difficult to say what will be in the future. I'm not a prophet. So, but anyway, I think when we are talking about the Pakistani-Polish relations, then gradually, step by step, there are some fields, in economic, in energy, in mining, I feel, and then also in cooperation in military industry, and also exchange some equipment, military equipment. This is, I think, could be the beginning of the wider cooperation, because the volume of the trade is not so much optimistic. And also, I think in IT we could find common links to use your potential as well Polish in quite many fields. So, and also, if I can say that, but it could be in the future, tourism is a such field, especially because for Polish people, Pakistan is almost unknown, and therefore, but is in media is presented as not so much secure country, and therefore